What does it say?
It says bread and sugar and a little bit of flour for the bread.
Oh.
Yes, and little bit cake on the bread.
Oh.
Yes, so that's ingredients.
Those are the ingredients.
Yes. Yes, Mommy. So that's good. I do my s'mores. Now we need an apron for each. Now this. Now do you see an apron for me? I don't. I just want a purple one.
Okay.
A purple one is a good place.
What are we gonna do?
Make bread.
We're gonna make bread.
Yes. So you need your apron. What is your apron? I forgot to get your apron. Where's your apron? I don't see it. This is good choice.
You're crazy.
There you go. Now we have aprons.
Now we have